Hello, today we're going to be rewriting sentences in the passive voice. In order to rewrite sentences in the passive voice, you need to be able to identify the verb, the subject, and the object in the sentence. The verb is the action or the doing word. The subject is the noun that is doing the verb, and the object is the noun that the verb is acting upon. Together, we're going to rewrite this sentence in the passive voice. The school arranged a visit. So the first thing we have to do is identify the verb, the action or the doing word. In this sentence, the verb is arranged. Next, we have to identify the subject. That's the noun that is doing the verb. So who or what is doing the arranging in this sentence? The subject is the school. Next, we have to identify the object. That's the noun that the verb is being acted upon. So what is being arranged in this sentence? So the object of this sentence is a visit. To rewrite this sentence in the passive voice, we need to switch the order of the subject and the object. As you can see, the object is now at the beginning of the sentence, and the subject is at the end of the sentence. It's really important to remember the capital letter and the full stop too. Next, we have to change the verb form so that the sentence still makes sense and the subject is still the noun that is doing the verb. In this sentence, arranged gets changed to was arranged, and we add the preposition by. So in the passive voice, this sentence reads, a visit was arranged by the school. Have a look at these three sentences. They're written in the active voice. Pause the video and see if you can rewrite them in the passive voice. Remember, first you need to identify the verb, the subject, and the object. Next, you need to switch the order of the object and the subject. And then you need to change the verb form so that the sentence still makes sense and add the preposition by. Let's see how you did. So firstly, you needed to identify the subject, the verb, and the object. So in these sentences, the subjects are blue, the verbs are red, and the objects are green. Check that you did this correctly. Next, we need to swap the order of the subject and the object, change the verb form, and add the preposition by. So in the passive voice, these sentences read, the library was tidied by the children, the candles were blown out by the boy, and all the sandwiches were eaten by the hungry boys.